in last lecture we studied vector product and its properties and some examples based on that point, that is vector product. Now in this lecture we studied remaining examples. Now third example, if a bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, b bar is equal to 4i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap, and c bar is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. And we have to verify that is a bar cross b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. We have to find LHS is equal to RHS. We have to prove that is verified. Firstly, for that we have to find a bar cross b bar plus c bar. For that, firstly we have to find LHS and then we find RHS. For the LHS, we first have to find b bar plus c bar. So what is b bar plus c bar? B bar plus c bar is equal to, b bar is 4i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap, plus what is c bar? I cap minus j cap plus 2k. Now make its addition, 4 plus 1 that is 5i cap minus 3 minus 1 that is minus 4j cap, and 1 plus 2 that is plus 3k cap. Its addition is 4i cap, 5i cap minus 4j cap plus 3k cap. Now we have to make this, that is LHS. What is LHS? LHS is equal to a bar cross b bar plus c bar. So here is a cross product of these two vectors. So our first row, it is I cap, j cap and k cap. Second row is of a bar. What is a bar? That is 1 minus 2 and 3. That is 1 minus 2, 3. What is third row? That is b bar plus c bar. What is b bar plus c bar? Here we find b bar plus c bar, which is 5 minus 4 and 3. Now we expand this determinant, that is equal to I cap into bracket minus 6 and minus get plus 12 minus j cap into bracket 3 minus 15 and plus k cap into bracket, that is minus 4 and minus get plus, that is 10. It will become, this is 6 I cap, this is minus 12, minus get plus, so here plus 12 j cap and here is a 6 plus 6 k. So our value is 6 I cap plus 12 j cap plus 6 k cap. This is our LHS. Now RHS. Next, RHS. For the RHS, we firstly have to find a bar cross b bar and a bar cross c bar. So what is a bar cross b bar? A bar cross b bar is equal to determinant I cap, j cap, k cap. Second row is about a bar. What is a bar? 1 minus 2, 3. B bar is 4 minus 3, 1. Now we expand this, that is I cap into bracket minus 2 minus get plus 9. Now minus j cap into bracket 1 minus 4 into 3, 12, 1 minus 12 plus k cap into bracket. What is k cap? That is minus 3 minus plus 8. So we will get here 7 I cap, here minus 11 minus get plus, that is plus 11 j cap, and here is 5 plus 5 k cap. This is the value of a bar cross b bar. Now what is the value of a bar cross c bar? A bar cross c bar is equal to determinant. First row is I cap, j cap, k cap. Second row is of a bar, which is a bar 1 minus 2 3. Second row, third row is of c bar, which is c bar. Here is c bar. So 1 minus 1 and 2. 1 minus 1 and 2. That means expand this. So we will get I cap into bracket 1 into 2, that is 2 minus 3. Now minus j cap into bracket 2 minus 3. Now plus k cap into bracket, k cap, that is minus 1, and here minus minus get plus, that is plus 2. So we will get minus I cap, here minus 1 minus minus get plus j cap, and here plus k cap. So we will get the value of a bar cross b bar and a bar cross c bar. Now we add this RHS. What is RHS? RHS is equal to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c. We have to make the addition of these two values. So what is its value? Is 7 I cap plus 11 j cap plus 5 k cap. Its value is this. And plus, what's value of a bar cross b bar? It is minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. We add this 7 minus 1, which is 6. 11 and 1, which is 12. And 5 and 1, which is 6. 6 k cap. If we observe the LHS and the RHS, this will be same. So we verify that a bar cross b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. This is our third example. Now next example. Next example, if a bar dot b bar is equal to root 3 and a bar cross b bar is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap, then find angle between a bar and b bar. Then find angle between a bar and b bar. Now, here we have a bar dot b bar is equal to root 3 and a bar cross b bar is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. We have to find the angle between a bar and b bar. Suppose theta is the angle between a bar and b bar. So we have to find theta. Now we know that mod of a bar cross b bar. What is the value of mod of a bar cross b bar? Mod of a bar cross b bar is equal to mod of a bar mod of b bar into sine theta. Mod of a bar cross b bar is equal to mod of a bar mod of b bar sine theta. So we have, and we know a bar dot b bar. What is a bar dot b bar? A bar dot b bar is equal to mod of a bar mod of b bar cos theta. Now we rearrange this equation, this cos theta is multiplied here, so it will get divided. That is a bar dot b bar upon cos theta is equal to mod of a bar into mod of b bar. So we place the value of mod of a bar and mod of b bar in this equation. So we will get mod of a bar cross b bar is equal to its value. What is its value? That is a bar dot b bar upon cos theta and into sin theta. And sin by cos, what is the value of sin by cos? It is tan. So mod of a bar cross b bar upon, this is the multiply, we will get divide upon a bar dot b bar is equal to tan theta. We will get this formula using these two formulas. Now it is very simple to find theta. Firstly we have to find its modulus. So mod of a bar cross b bar is equal to, modulus means its square root, that is 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. It is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to root 9, which is equal to 3. So we put here 3, so tan theta is equal to 3 divided by, and a bar dot b bar is root 3, so its value is root 3. Root 3 is the value of a tan which angle, which is 60 degree, that is pi by 3. So here theta is equal to pi by 3 or 60 degree. This is our second example. Now next point is scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. This point is not for the board examination because our government omitted 25% of syllabus. So this is not for HSC examination, but JEE and CET. For the JEE and CET examination, you have to know this point, that is scalar triple product, and it is quite simple, very simple point. Suppose there are a bar, b bar and c bar, 3 vectors, and these 3 vectors we have to find out its scalar triple product. It is denoted by a bar, b bar, c bar. Write in the square bracket a bar, b bar, c bar. It is called as a scalar triple product of a bar, b bar and c bar. It is also known as box product. It is also called box product. A bar, b bar, c bar. Now, what is its property? If we rearrange or if we make a cyclic change in that box product, then we will get its values as it is. And what is its value? That is a bar, b bar, c bar, box product of a bar, b bar, c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. It is the combination of dot and cross product. A bar, b bar, c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. And how we will get its value? Its value get by the determinant. First row is the coefficient of a bar, that is a1, a2, a3. Second row is the coefficient of b bar, which is b1, b2, b3. And third row is the coefficient of c bar, c1, c2, c3. This determinant is box product of a bar, b bar and c bar. And after the solving this determinant, we will get the value of this a bar, b bar, c bar. If we make here cyclic change, if we rearrange this, that will be c bar, a bar, b bar. If we change these terms, then we will get same values, because if we change here, then we will change the rows of that determinant, and if we make a cyclic change in the rows of a determinant, then there is no change in value of a determinant. This is a property of a determinant. So this value and this value will be equal. But if we interchange one quantity or one vector, that means if we change these two, that is b bar, a bar and c bar, but its value is minus of this value. If we change one row by the determinant property, if we change these two, if then these rows are interchanged, and if two rows are interchanged, then the value of a determinant changes its sign. Value of its changes into its sign. If it is positive, then we will get negative. This is the property of a determinant. So we use there, that is in scalar triple product, if there is a change in two vectors, then it will be changing their only signs. This is the second property. Now, next property is if scalar triple product a bar, b bar, c bar is equal to 0. That means this determinant will be 0. Whenever this determinant makes 0, if first is if two vectors are collinear. If two vectors are collinear, then their two rows, these two rows are in proportion. If these two rows are in proportion, then its value will be 0. Or either one of the scalar is 0, or either one of the vector is 0. A bar or b bar or c bar, either one of the vector is 0, then this determinant will be 0 obviously. And third, if these three vectors are coplanar, if three vectors are coplanar, if vectors a bar, b bar, c bar, three vectors are coplanar, then its Bloch's product is equal to 0. We use this in examples. If we have to find three vectors are coplanar, then we just find out its determinant. If its determinant is 0, then these three vectors are coplanar. This is very simple point, which is scalar triple product. Now, next point is, next and last point, which is volume of a parallelepiped and volume of a tetrahedron. You know that parallelepiped, then what is the formula of a parallelepiped? Volume of parallelepiped is equal to box product of A bar, B bar, C bar. If A bar, B bar and C bar are three coterminous edges of parallelepiped, are three coterminous edges, of a parallelepiped. Suppose this is A bar, this is B bar and this is C bar. These three are coterminous edges, then its volume is its box product of A bar, B bar and C bar. Now, next is volume of tetrahedron. Volume of tetrahedron. What is volume of a tetrahedron? It is 1/6 of box product of A bar, B bar and C bar. What is tetrahedron? This is a tetrahedron. Suppose this is A bar, B bar and C bar. These three are coterminous edges. Then its volume is 1/6 A bar, B bar and C bar. This is not a kite. This is a tetrahedron. Here 4 faces. Tetra means 4 faces of hadrons. That is triangles. 4 triangular faces are there. So this is a tetrahedron. Volume of a tetrahedron is 1/6 of A bar, B bar and C bar. Now last point is, this is also not for the syllabus. this is only for the CET and JEE. You just have to know these formulas, that is volume of a parallelepiped and volume of a tetrahedron. Now next point is, that is vector product of three vectors. Vector product of three vectors or vector triple product. Vector triple product. Suppose there are three vectors A bar, B bar and C bar, and its vector product, that is its cross product. That is cross of A bar, cross of B bar and C bar. Here is the cross product. And three vectors, so we'll call it as vector triple product. And its value is, that is A bar dot C bar into B bar, A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar, minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. This is very important formula for the CET and JEE. If we multiply three vectors by a cross product, then we will get A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. Vector triple product has also properties similar to cross product. Suppose A bar cross B bar is equal to minus of B bar cross C bar, B bar cross A bar. Similarly, here suppose A bar cross B bar cross C bar, then it is equal to, it is similar to minus of B bar cross C bar cross A bar. This is also similar. Here also commutative law is not valid. Its value is a minus of B bar cross C bar cross A bar. Now what is the value of, here suppose I cap cross J cap cross K cap. In cross product I cap cross J cap is equal to K cap. But here I cap cross J cap cross K cap is equal to 0. It will be the 0 vector because its value becomes a vector quantity. So it is 0. So this is the point for the CET and JEE examination. So this is our end of the chapter, which is vector. And these 3 points, that is scalar triple product and vector triple product and volume of a parallelepiped and tetrahedron, these are not for the board examination, only for the CET and JEE. So thank you.